If you've ever thought about making money online without the stress of learning tech stuff, writing a novel, or spending hours figuring out how to publish a book, well, you're going to love this. Let me introduce you to something called KindleMint, and no, it's not another overhyped gadget or subscription that quietly drains your wallet. This is an actual game changer for anyone who's ever dreamt of tapping into Amazon's massive Kindle marketplace, without being a writer or a tech whiz. Here's the big promise: KindleMint helps you launch your own Kindle publishing business in about 60 seconds. Seriously, that means publishing books in a booming $100 billion industry, even if you've never written a single sentence in your life. So how does it work? The magic lies in how effortless it makes everything. You don't need to write a thing. KindleMint's AI does all the heavy lifting, creating high-quality, plagiarism-free content for you. Whether it's a self-help guide, a kid's adventure, or even a juicy fiction story, this tool creates it and formats it, ready to go live on Amazon. Now, here's where it gets better. You don't need to worry about editing, designing a cover, or figuring out Amazon's publishing system. KindleMint automates all of that. You literally push a few buttons, and boom, your book is up for sale to Amazon's 310 million active users. That's traffic you didn't have to pay for, beg for, or chase down on social media. Amazon already has the readers, you just need to show up with something to offer. And here's the kicker: you keep 100% of the profits. No recurring fees, no royalty splits, no nonsense. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access. That means every single sale goes straight to you. Plus, it's completely above board. Everything it does is legal, ethical, and within Amazon's publishing guidelines. So there's zero stress about compliance or getting flagged for doing something shady. If you're the kind of person who wants a passive income stream that actually runs in the background, this is it. Once your books are live, they keep earning for you, day after day. Some users have built entire publishing empires off this. I mean, one guy published over 1,500 books and made more than $4 million. That's insane, right? But even if you're not looking for millions, maybe you just want a few hundred extra pounds, or dollars, a month to cover some bills, save for a holiday, or invest in something else. KindleMint makes that possible without you needing to be glued to a screen or learn 10 new skills just to get started. And yes, there are some awesome bonuses waiting for you when you grab KindleMint through my link. Think of them as power-ups to help you get results even faster, and they're only available through me. So if you're even slightly curious about passive income, online business, or just doing something creative that actually pays, give KindleMint a serious look. Hit the link in the description, check it out, and let me know what you think. And hey, if this video gave you an idea or a little spark of inspiration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel and lets me keep bringing you tools that make a real difference. Catch you in the next one.
Did you know Amazon paid out $370 million to KDP publishers in 2024? That's right, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, is booming, with over 6 million active users browsing the Kindle store every day. The demand for digital content is skyrocketing, and now is the perfect time to get in. With the market expected to hit $1.5 billion by 2025, thousands of people are cashing in on this $100 billion industry. The question is, will you be next? Take Peter Holmquist, for example. He published over 1,534 books on Amazon Kindle and generated $4,119,550 in earnings harnessing the power of AI. And he's not alone. Thomas, Sean Dalwet, Delphine Tamakong, and many others are earning tens of thousands of dollars monthly with KDP. But here's the problem. Most people think publishing a bestseller requires endless writing, editing, and marketing. If you thought publishing was difficult, then what I'm about to show you will change everything you thought you knew. What if you could have your own dedicated Amazon publishing AI assistant that helps you create, publish, and rank best-selling Kindle books faster than you ever imagined? Yes, that's right. KindleMint isn't just another ebook creator. It's a complete publishing powerhouse that makes building an Amazon publishing empire easier than ever. Introducing KindleMint, the world's first Amazon publishing AI assistant. KindleMint does everything you need to create best-selling books on Amazon in just 60 seconds. With KindleMint, you can instantly research profitable keywords keywords that help you dominate Amazon's charts. Uncover hidden niche categories with low competition for your books. Spy on your competitor and show you how to outperform them. Create high-quality Kindle books without writing a single word. Publish to 310 million Amazon users and other platforms like Google Books, Apple Books, and more. Rank your books with built-in SEO and keyword research tools. Reach a global audience by publishing in over 100+ languages. Automate the entire publishing process with just a few clicks, and KindleMint does all of this faster and smarter than any other tool out there. Why KindleMint is 16 times smarter than other publishing tools. Here's why KindleMint stands out from the rest. We've combined the power of AI from tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon into one platform. KindleMint isn't just a tool for writing ebooks. It's a complete Amazon publishing assistant that does everything from keyword research to automated book creation and multi-platform publishing. No more endless writing, editing, or formatting. KindleMint takes care of all the tedious tasks for you, so you can focus on building your income stream. But that's not all. Unlike other tools that leave you guessing, KindleMint gives you real-time insights on how to rank your book, optimize your content, and outperform your competition. Whether you're writing fiction, non-fiction, children's books, or self-help guides, KindleMint has you covered. Here's how you can start making money with KindleMint. Today, you could easily go on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer and charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars to create Kindle books for others. Or you could use KindleMint to publish your own books and earn passive income every single day without lifting a finger. From researching keywords to publishing across multiple platforms, KindleMint does all the heavy lifting. Your books will be in front of 310 million Amazon users without spending a penny on ads, SEO, or paid traffic. And guess what? All this takes less than 60 seconds. It's time to automate your entire publishing business. With KindleMint, you're not just getting an ebook creator, you're getting a complete AI-powered system that helps you dominate Amazon Kindle publishing from every angle. AI-driven keyword research to find profitable niches, automated formatting and publishing across Amazon KDP, Google Play Books, and more. Discover hidden categories that give you a competitive edge over other authors. Real-time competitor analysis to see exactly what's working and how you can outperform others. Create best-selling content in multiple languages to reach a global audience. In just 3 simple steps, you can turn your ideas into best-selling Kindle books without writing, editing, or marketing. Step 1. Click the yellow button below to grab KindleMint at a one-time price. Monthly pricing kicks in soon, so act fast. Step 2. Log into KindleMint and type in your request, whether it's to create a book, research keywords, or optimize your content for higher rankings. Step 3. Click Enter and watch KindleMint handle everything for you in 60 seconds flat. What makes KindleMint the ultimate game changer? You don't need to be a tech expert or a professional writer to use KindleMint. If you can click a button, you can publish a best-selling book. KindleMint is backed by cutting-edge AI technology from Microsoft, Google, and Amazon, making it 16 times more powerful than any other ebook creator on the market. While other tools are outdated and limited, KindleMint gives you access to real-time data, so your books are always ranked with the most relevant, up-to-date information. And here's the kicker: there are no hidden fees or monthly subscriptions. Pay once and enjoy full access to everything KindleMint has to offer. The clock is ticking. Don't miss out. Right now, you can get KindleMint at a low one-time price, but that won't last long. Soon, we'll be switching to a monthly subscription to support our server costs. Why wait? Start publishing your bestseller today without the hassle of writing, editing, or marketing. KindleMint does it all for you, so you can focus on what matters: building your publishing empire. Click the button below to get KindleMint now, while it's still available at a one-time price. Your success is guaranteed. 30 days, risk-free. We're so confident that KindleMint will transform your publishing journey that we're offering a 30-day risk-free guarantee. If you don't absolutely love KindleMint, just let us know, and we'll refund 100% of your money. No questions asked. With KindleMint, there's absolutely no way you can lose. But hurry, this offer won't last forever. Get KindleMint now and start publishing bestsellers in 60 seconds or less.